Okay, for today's spring cleaning video, we're in the living room and I'm trying to organize this cabinet that's under our TV. Our TV is mounted here and we moved to this unit. It's our third unit in the building. And when we moved to this unit, they basically like changed the configuration because we have an upstairs now and we don't have the laundry cabinet to store like all my extra body stuff and candles. And this just needs to be like dusted and cleaned. I don't know where I'm gonna keep all this stuff. I think I'm gonna keep all of it in here still, but like I can't find anything and everything falls when I open the doors. And this has like Ethernet cables that no one in the world uses because, you know, it's 2020 now. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse. This video probably will just be super quick, but I've been trying to organize my house room by room and I'm putting off the kitchen because it's gonna take the longest, but that will be coming after this video, I believe, because I've ran out of places to organize. I will just do a time lapse of me cleaning this up and then I'll show you at the end. So please tell me why this is necessary. I had all these just in this top shelf right here, which is so dusty. This has to be left because that's like our cable box. I mean, the cords could be like better, but I feel like I'm gonna mess it up if I disconnect it. But look, why do I have this? 5 aromatherapy things from Bath and Body. They always give me coupons, so they play me. 5 of these. I have one more in my shower. This is a scrub from Victoria's Secret. It's so good. This is the Heavenly scent, like so good. And they were like $5 one time. Then these are all scrubs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brand new scrubs. This one was amazing. They discontinued it from Bath and Body. And I have another one in my shower, obviously. I have 5 because I bought these in a pack on Amazon. They're like foot pumices. And then I have 2 travel like little body washes and scrubs from Victoria's Secret. This used to be the best line in the world. They had oil, they had like body washes, and they discontinued it. I'm so mad. But I have 2 of those little scrubs and then 3 travel lotions from Bath and Body and then a little travel spray. Like these I would get free and stuff. And then I just have like some candles and some party stuff. So all this stuff is like really random, but whatever I still use, I have to store in here. And then things that I just want to keep but I don't use, I'll put in our outdoor storage. Okay, I have everything out now and I'm going to get something to clean all this and dust the entire inside. Here is everything. I kind of made a mess because my sage kind of like broke off, but here's everything. I'm gonna clean it. I of course want to keep like all my Apple boxes for the things I still have, and it'll just go back over there, and then like all my little Beats and headphones and iPods I can put in here. So I'm just gonna organize all this and clean that. Okay, it is all done. Who even knew that this was black? It looked gray before. So I'm gonna see about my husband later on if he can fix this little pile. Like, I don't wanna just mess up the TV and the internet. But up here, I just put all my candles, my sage, the lighter. This is like a thing for your back. I didn't know where to put it. This is like a little teacup I had a plant in, but then it died. Down here, I have Bath and Body Works little store. That's just backstock. I'm eventually gonna get a cabinet for my walk-in upstairs in my office for all my backstock of like beauty products, but for right now, I'm just gonna keep these here. A whole bunch of Kleenex, some essential oils for my little diffuser, some travel size stuff, back patches, foot scrubbers. Down here, I just have all the boxes my electronics came in, some books, and then I organized this basket and it's just like headphones and stuff. There we have it. It looks a lot better, and I feel like the things I actually use I can access now. And then all the other things that I was keeping, I'm just gonna put in the outside closet. So this isn't a very long video or super exciting, but I'm just showing you all the things I'm organizing in my house. I hope that you enjoyed this. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.